This motorhome is the Ahorn 690 Plus. You can't see the front of it, but it is on a Renault basis. It'll cost around 65,000 euros. It's 7 meters long, 234 wide, and at its highest point it's 296. It comes with a bed up there. I think that's a single bed, and down below you can see we can make a bed down here as well. You can get a double bed there, and if I come to the very back, you can also see that a double bed has been made here. But this is in fact the German layout. It's two singles which have been joined together. Under the bed we've got storage, that is access to the garage through the one that you see there, either side there is storage, and we have this step up, but inside the step there's also space for keeping things in. To the rear we've got storage as well, two reading lamps and a shelf with a bit of a ledge, not a bad ledge, at either side. There are windows on either side, and up the top there's a sunlight, whatever they call it, a window in the roof up there as well. The kitchen comes with 3 burners, a sink, storage, and of course a fridge. Through here we have the toilet. It comes with a shower, window, sink, and mirror, so you can see what's going on. The shower tray is quite deep for those of you wanting to wash your feet after a particularly hard hike. Well, I'm one of those people that likes to do that. In dinette, semi-dinette, we've got a large table as well, and there's the proof that this vehicle is on a Renault basis. More storage at the front as well. As we come in and out, we have here a convenient way of turning the 12 volt on and off, as well as lights, and indeed the step which I am standing on right now. I think so the price around 66,000, and these vehicles are a little bit more available than those are based on a Renault. I did that in under 3 minutes. Thank you very much for watching.